Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make image fade out in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find uploads. Click to enter uploads file. We can upload file from your hard drive, or you can go to three dots menu to upload image from your apps. Now I go back. I have uploaded image before, so I have the database here. I click to add photo into Canva design. Next, we can go to left toolbar again. We can find apps, and then we can search Canva apps. I will use image blender and press enter to search it. Now we can find image blender apps. Click to open it. And then we can go to image blender apps. We can find fade. Click to choose linear or radial. If you have pro version, you can use brush. Now I use linear, and then we can find the linear fade out is applied. We can change the direction, and also we can change the strength. So this is how we can make image fade out in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.